Hi, today we're going to build Stratco's terrific 5-shelf galvanised unit. It's 1.8 metres high. The shelves are 900mm long, 400mm deep. It's actually got a really strong shelving system. They're 12mm thick, the timber shelves, and each shelf can actually hold up to 200 kilos evenly distributed. So let's see how it goes together. Now let's have a look at the parts that we've got, which are 5 shelves. The uprights are actually in 2 pieces to get the full 1.8 metre length and come with joiners that we'll have a look at. The support arms for the front and back and the sides. We've got some joiners and bolts to make the unit nice and strong, and just some nice little feet to ensure that we don't scratch your floor. The tools that you'll need for today include a mallet, a little spanner for the 4 bolts, and either a screwdriver, or today I'll be using a drill with a Phillips head. Safety glasses. One of the great things about this particular unit is the front beam and the back beam actually has this little lip that you'll see as I'm building, and when we put the shelves on, the shelves actually have this groove cut into them that really hold the shelves nice and secure. Let's have a look how it goes together. So just before we get started with putting shelves on, what we'll do is we'll put the feet on first because it's just easier to do. So repeat that 4 times for your 4 posts, and then we'll start on the frame. So the frame in this instance is going to go in the bottom 2 holes, like so. And once you've got one in, give it a little tap, not too hard because we don't want to bend that lip where the shelf sits. And then we'll go around the bottom 4, like so. So now we're just going to repeat what we did on the base shelf. I like to centre them. You can put them any height you like to suit your products. There's 22 holes running up, so we're going to put it in hole 11. And then we'll just copy that the whole way around. So once we put the second shelf row in, we'll put these joiners in, and there's 8 of those that we'll just quickly put in, and then we can put the second part of our upright up. Now that we've got our joiners in, we'll put the second part of our uprights in, and we'll just give them a whack. That's one in. So now that we've put our second part of the uprights in, we'll put the top row of shelving arms in. The way we're building the shelving unit today, we're just evenly spacing our shelves. So I've got a pretty much 1240mm gap left, so I'll put the shelves about 410mm apart today to give ourselves even spacing. Now we're going to put the 5 shelves in. So I mentioned at the front of the video, we've got this great little lip on the front and back, and our shelves have got this terrific router which will lock them in place. So we'll just flip that shelf over, slide it in, and repeat 5 times. And that's how to build the Stratco Slot and Lock galvanised unit. Up to 200 kilos per shelf. It's a terrific system, nice and strong. And here we have option 2 of our 5-shelf unit. So it's a great product. You can actually set it up as a workbench side by side or in an L shape. And what we've done here, and you would have seen through the video, is we've actually just bolted them together. So there's 2 bolts, front and back, 4 bolts altogether, which make it a really secure and smart unit.